guys, it's Destiny. I am here to do a project share and update on my paper stash smash challenge. So this is everything that I've made, and I have smashed this, which was in my chosen stuff. So I mean, as you can see, I just have these little scraps right there. And then I started with the full 36 sheets of this. And then I have still this tag page, but I don't really know how to use. They're kind of weird, I don't know. So yeah, and then I will also share what I made with the Baking Spirits Bright. I did not have a full collection kit for this. I had probably like 10 sheets, maybe 9 sheets, 10 sheets, and then I had a sticker sheet. So as you can see, I used most of that as well. And I kind of combined a little bit the two collections. So yeah, I will start with all the stuff I made using mostly the Candy Cane Christmas first. So first, I've already done a full project share of these, but I did make 6 of these traveler's notebooks, which I will link that project share video in the description below. I only have 4 here now because 2 of them did sell on my Etsy shop already. So yeah, if you wanted to see a full flip through of those, I will link that video. But yeah, they're available on my Etsy if you are interested. They're so cute. I just love the colors. I love pink Christmas. And anyway, so these cut aparts are from the Baking Spirits Bright, and then the paper is from Candy Cane Christmas. So I did that. Okay, I also made 2 of these, which these I have a tutorial for, so I will also link that video in the description. Little keychain photo album things that I made. And in the tutorial, you can see like you can make this into a photo album, which is what I've done, or you can insert a mini notebook in it. So these are oriented differently, but this was before I figured out that I wanted to do them this way. So anyway, this is what these look like. And I just put like wallet inserts, and I put like paper in so they can have paper matting. And I attach some cute little charms and stuff. And then you have an adorable little keychain. So yeah, I will have the tutorial for how I made these in the description box, but I was able to make 2 of these, which they're just the same, except for this one. I accidentally punched a hole right there. So I just put a little charm right there, right? Like it looks like I meant to do it. It's fine. Then I made, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of these little sticky note holders. So, you know, those would be nice for my craft fairs. And then I made a bunch of these, like Hershey Nugget packs. And most of the paper, like the paper that I wrapped the nuggets in, is all from the Candy Cane Christmas, but the topper, the paper that I used on top, is actually from the Jules and Jolly paper pad that I had also chosen to smash. So yeah, so I just put paper on the front and the back, and I was able to make, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 of these Hershey Nugget packs. And then I just, yeah, like did some decorative paper, and I cut out these little Christmas sentiments. This is the KS Craft die, which I will link them below. They have more, but these were the only ones that were small enough to fit on the Hershey Nugget pack. So yeah, I just did that and then tied some pretty pink twine around it. And those will be adorable for my craft fair. And then the last thing that I was able to do was make these 3 little mini notebooks. So let's see. This one, the cut apart, this is another cut apart from Baking Spirits Bright. And then these 2 are actually, these were from the Mittens and Mistletoe tag book. So they were actually tags, but I just cut them down to be little cut aparts. Because the Candy Cane Christmas obviously didn't have any cut aparts. So yeah, so this one is Winter Wishes and Candy Cane Kisses. 'Tis the season to be jolly. And Holly Jolly Holiday. So I'll just quickly flip through these because these are pretty easy to show. But they all have this little vellum sheet right here. This one has an extra cut apart, 10 sheets of paper. And then I was able to use up more tags from the Mittens and Mistletoe tag book. And then I just like did some paper piecing for that tag. Random. Was just using up some of the stickers, tool paper clip, more tags. Some more ephemera and tags, and then another paper pieced tag that I just mounted on white cardstock right there. And so that is the 4x4 size one. Okay, then I have this one, which is 'Tis the Season to be Jolly. Again, has this little cut apart. And then I just included a couple of extra note cards that I had that I thought matched. So this one's like pink with polka dots, 10 sheets, lots of, you know, tags and goodies in the pockets. Some seam binding is on this tag. Cute, cute. Lots of cute goodies. Just a pink tag in there. This little deer, stop it, she's so cute. This one has a belly band with a couple different tags. And then another paper piece tag right there. And a cute journaling card. So that's that one. And then this one's Holly Jolly Holiday, which I think might have kind of the same type of cards, maybe not. There's that tag. Lots of cute tags. I was just trying to use up a lot of my Christmas stuff, you guys. So I think these turned out adorable. Okay, so those are those three. And then I will just, quickly show you what I made with the rest of the Baking Spirit Sprite. Mainly I wanted to make some recipe books with this, so that is what I did, and those use a lot of paper. So I didn't get as many projects from this paper, but I was able to do 2 of these little recipe books. So this one is Mrs. Claus's Bake Shop, made with sugar and spice, Gingerbread Lane, Cookie Co. And these are just, I love these. So like I just, you know, put some paper and cute recipe cards, used up a lot of the stickers to do this. I did have to pull in some other Christmassy paper, but I feel like it all matches pretty well. So yeah. And then, I mean, the inside of these look relatively the same. Like the stickers might be a little different, but for the most part, everything is pretty much the same. So I'll flip through this one really quick just because we did the other one. But I love making these, but yeah, like I said, they do use a lot of paper. So it's like, you can pretty much, out of a full collection kit, you can get max 2, and then you just have like some scraps left. And then I'll show you what I did with the scraps. Obviously I didn't have a complete collection kit for this one, but pretty close. And then I just think that this red gingham ribbon on top is so cute. Okay, and then with the scraps that I had left over, I was able to make 3 3x3 mini notebooks. So this one is Fresh from the North Pole Cookie Company. We wish you a Merry Christmas and Baking Spirit Sprite. And I actually covered this chipboard with gold cardstock just to give them a little bit more pizzazz, you know, because the cut aparts weren't like that crazy. But yeah, so I have some tags in there. Let's see, tag in here, little mini candy canes. And I don't do the dividers on these ones, but I did try to add in some other fun stuff in here, like the tags in the pockets, tags in the pocket pages, and then I would cut down some of the journaling cards to try to fit in here, which was a little bit difficult, but like this paper wasn't from this collection, but I don't know. This one was, and they're kind of the same vibe. And then, yeah, just an extra gingham pocket in the back. This one is We Whisk You a Merry Christmas. Same kind of layout. They all have just like a tulle paper clip. And then lots of little tags and stuff. And I did, you know, back them on white cardstock so people could use them for journaling if they wanted. Whoop. And to make them a little more sturdy. Okay, and then we are Baking Spirits Bright. And this bow vellum paper is from Hobby Lobby. I love it with the gold. I feel like it goes well with a lot of Christmas stuff. Tag. Cute. Cute, 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 cute. Okay, so that was everything that I made. Like I said, I have like just some strips and a few cut aparts left from this, but I do have a full collection kit of this. So I'm just gonna stick this stuff in there as well as the sticker sheet. I use most of the sticker sheet, but I do have a couple of stickers left. So anyway, that was my update. I feel like I got a lot of, you know, cute projects made from those items. So yeah, if you were interested in anything like the traveler's notebooks, those are already posted in my Etsy shop. I'm going to get these notebooks posted in my Etsy shop. Just, it takes me a long time to like, do the Etsy listings. So, I don't think I'm going to post the recipe, books in my Etsy shop because I don't know that these would sell very well, in Etsy. I was more so thinking for my craft fair, but you know, let me know if anyone's interested in it. I'm certainly willing to post them, but I think I'll maybe have like one more project share to do from my Christmas stuff, and then then that'll be everything for this. Like got a lot of Christmas projects done because of this challenge, but I am ready to move on to something new. So I am excited that next month is going to be Halloween because I love doing like fall, and Halloween is, you know, very cute. So I just always ramble at the end of these things, but thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.